discount lets you get rid of the DimDim logo and replace it with your own branding. You can also change the colors and the layout of the main screen. You won't see any ads when we run them someday in the future. And you get tech support from us as well.
Now, are you focused towards the regular consumer market stuff, or is this an enterprise type software?
Yeah, it's a little bit of both. It's for the enterprise size that are fed up with WebEx because of the install problem and how much expensive it is. DimDim's a great product for that. For those who've never been able to do web meetings before because their browser connection is too slow or they just don't meet the requirements, it's great for that too. So few people meeting together or large people, we scale it all.
When was the application itself launched?
The company was founded in 2006. We had a private beta we launched at Demo Fall in September of last year, and we came out today with our public beta.
Oh, really? That's awesome. So, pretty much, tell me about the traction of the product itself. You know, how has membership and traffic itself increased?
Yeah, that's great. We've had 30,000 private beta testers, and that took us about 6 months to get. In the last few days, with the TechCrunch article and some other things, we gained another 4,000 or 5,000 users. So, and the traffic we've seen, about 370,000 people have attended a web meeting in 165 countries all over the world. And you're seeing just enormous growth as people are finding out this is absolutely free and easy to use.
So tell me about the inspiration on putting this stuff together.
Well, so the co-founders of the company had started another company before, and they decided to do it again, and they started thinking, we want to share each other's ideas, but we can't see what's on each other's screens. They were scattered all over the world. They could use Skype, they could use Hotmail, but they couldn't show their desktops. And it dawned on them, here'd be a great tool for that. If we can make it work entirely in a browser and make it free, we'd bring the world together. And that's what DimDim is.
And I go, where were the co-founders at prior to founding the company?
Yeah, they were at Computer Associates, and before that they started a company called AIM, and they sold it to CA, and they worked there for 5 years or so. And I joined in January because I totally believe these guys got the next big thing.
How big's the company?
16 people, based in Boston.
In Boston? And you guys are privately, you said private company, right?
Yeah, privately funded.
And are you guys looking to go, you know, say like the next route, which is like VC funding and stuff?
Yeah, we're working on that. We don't have any news right now. We're working on that.
How much were you guys funded with?
It's public knowledge. It's a little south of $3 million for our first round. Yep.
What's the growth strategy for DimDim?
And so the growth strategy for this whole phase is really awareness. We want everyone to find out about it. And we want next step is engage. We want to get customers to tell us what we need to do better and get them to help us spread the word. And then finally, monetization. Now again, our hope is that people use the free version, tell their friends. When they grow beyond it, they'll pay us $99 a year and they'll use our pro version. At the same time, companies who want to go beyond what WebEx can do and use our enterprise version, they can pick up the phone, call us at sales@dimdim.com, and we'll cut them a great deal.
Oh, that sounds like a great product. Thank you so much for the interview. Appreciate it. Good, thank you.